Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can create Crunchyroll account. Crunchyroll, which is a household name when it comes to anime streaming. Here's how you can get started. First, make sure you have downloaded and installed Crunchyroll in your app, in your phone. Now, we have a Crunchyroll app icon like so. Open it. So the welcome screen looks like this. Now there is a create account button at the bottom. Select it. In order to create Crunchyroll account, firstly you need to enter your email and password. Let's go ahead and enter them. Also give yourself a password. You can also view your entered password by clicking on this eye icon. Now if you want to receive latest Crunchyroll info, offers and news, just check this box. I want to leave it unchecked for now. Now create account. Here is your option to subscribe to Crunchyroll, which is 14-day free trial. I'm gonna skip for now. So it's saying we might want to add new profile for premium users, but for now I'm gonna use my default profile. Select it. Allow Crunchyroll to send you notifications. Allow. So if you want to view your created profile by Crunchyroll, click on view my profile. I'm gonna skip for now this one too. Now here we are. We have already registered and created an account of Crunchyroll. It's also showing a cast button at the top in which we can connect our devices to cast it in a monitor or a TV which is compatible with Crunchyroll. Now if it is compatible, it will show here the list of devices. Otherwise you can just skip it. Now here are all the animes that you have ever wanted to watch. Some are free, whereas some are only available in premium. Now you know how to create Crunchyroll account in Android. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.